Unveiling the meaning of fan base. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are diving into a phrase that you might have come across many times, especially in the world of entertainment, sports, and social media: fan base. If you've ever wondered what it truly means and how to use it, you're in the right place. First, let's break it down. The term fan base consists of two words, fan and base. Fan, someone who admires and supports a person, like a celebrity or athlete. A group, like a music band or sports team, or an entity, like a show or brand. Base, this refers to the main or starting point for something. In this context, it denotes a group or foundation. Therefore, when you combine these two words, fan base means the group of admirers or supporters of a particular person, group, or entity. To better understand fan base, let's look at a few examples. 1. The rock band's fan base has grown significantly since their first album. 2. Celebrities interact with their fan base on social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram. 3. The new movie is expected to do well, given the director's massive fan base. From the examples, you can see that the term fan base refers to the collective group of supporters or admirers of a particular entity. In the world of entertainment, sports, and even business, having a dedicated fan base can be crucial. Here's why. Loyalty. A solid fan base means a group of people who will consistently support, promote, and stick by you or your product. Feedback. Interacting with your fan base can provide valuable feedback and insights. Economic value. Especially in entertainment and sports, a bigger fan base can translate to more sales, tickets, or merchandise sold. So there you have it. Fan base refers to the collective group of supporters or admirers of a person, group, or entity. Whether you're a budding artist, an entrepreneur, or just someone keen on understanding the English language better, understanding the term fan base is surely beneficial. We hope this video shed some light on the phrase for you. Stay curious and keep learning.